Hello dear students, welcome to Social Science class. Today let us continue History lesson number 2, our Karnataka. In previous class we learned about Bangalore urban district, Bangalore rural district. Today let us see another district of Bangalore division, that is Tumkuru district, Chitradurga district, Davangere district and Shivamogga district. Now let us start with the Tumkuru district. Tumkuru district formed in the year 1832. It is famous for its coconut and it is one of the largest district of our state. 10 taluks are there in Tumkuru district: Kortagere, Gubbi, Chikkanayakkanahalli, Pavagada, Kunigal, Turvekare, Tiptur, Madagiri, Sira, Tumkuru. Next one, some important forts are there in this place, and these forts were built by Palegaras. Palegaras means Vijayanagara kings appointed some important administrators to see the different region. They are known as Palegaras. These forts are in Madugiri, Midikeshi, Nedugal, Devarayana Durga, Huliyuru Durga and Sira. This is a picture of Madugiri, Devarayana Durga, Sira. Now let us see the education about this. Education, how it is famous for the education in this district. This district is well known for famous for its educational institution, free education and boarding facility. Boarding means hostel facilities are given to thousands of students by Siddhaganga Mada under the leadership of Sri Shivakumara Swamiji. Another important education institution is Siddhartha Education Society. Another importance of this district is unique horse breeding station is there in Kunigal. The district becoming an important industry center of the state. And now famous places of Tumkuru. Devarayana Durga is a famous place, and Lakshmi temple of Gauranahalli at Kortegere Taluk is famous. And there is a famous folk song about the Kunigal tank, and that song is starting like Mudal Kunigal Gare. Maybe you have all heard about that. Next is Chitradurga district. It is famous for its gigantic 7-ringed fort. It's famous 7 ringed forts are there, and inside the fort we can see ponds and temples. And taluks of Chitradurga: Hiriyur, Chellakere, Hosadurga, Holalkere and Molakalmuru. Next, famous historical personalities of this region is, this district is known for its Palegaras. Madikeri Nayaka was a famous Palegara, and Onke Obawa, maybe you all are heard about the Onke Obawa's different stories, and she is another well-known historical person from the Chitradurga district. And some of the other well-known personalities are S. Ninjalingappa, Malladihalli Raghavendra Swami, Talukina Venkanaya Tarasu, Sri Shivamurthy Muruga Saranaru, Tarla Balu Swamiji, and Kabirananda Ashrama's Shivalingananda Swami, and Jaglur Ima Saab. These are the important personalities of this region. Next one is Davangere district. It is formed by dividing Chitradurga. It is formed by after dividing Chitradurga in 1997. A few ports of Shivamogga and Harapanalli of Bellary district were added to the newly formed district of Davangere. And the famous places, the biggest lake in South India is that is Chandisagar, is in this district, and it is in Chennagiri. It has a circumference of 64 kilometers. The Harihareswara temple from Hoysala period also found in Harihara. These are the important places of the Chitradurga district. Next, let us go to Shivamogga district. Shivamogga district map you can see here, and they mark different taluks of this district. Now Shivamogga is one of the famous district of Karnataka. It is well known for its scenic beauty, and it is famous for the sceneries or the natural beauty. And next 6 taluks are there: Tirthahalli, Sagara, Soraba, Bhadravati, Shivamogga, Shikaripura and Hosanagara. And this Shivamogga district is called as the rice granary of Karnataka. And rivers are there. Important rivers are Tungabhadra, Sharavati, Varada, Kumudavati. Next, Shankaraghatta, that is the home to Kuvempu University. Kuvempu University is situated in Shankaraghatta. And Kuppalli is the birthplace of Kuvempu. It is in Tirthahalli Taluk. Bhadravati is growing as an industrial hub. This Bhadravati region is growing industrial area. Hydroelectric projects that provide most of the electricity needs for the state. The Sharavati hydroelectric project and Varahi hydroelectric project provides the most of the electricity needed for the state. Now let us see how that name came. It is said Shivamogga was founded by Keladi rulers. There is an archaeological museum at Keladi. It is said that name of Shivamogga is because this region is resembling to the face of Lord Shiva. Shivamogga is got the name because this region is resembling to the face of the Lord Shiva. And according to the archaeologists and historians are saying that it is said the name of Shivamogga is due to face resembling to Lord Shiva. The Jog Falls, the highest waterfalls in Asia, is in this region. Bird sanctuary of Gudavi, that is in Soraba Taluk. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary also is there. Agumbe of Tirthahalli Taluk receives highest rains. Agumbe, which place is getting highest rainfall? That is in Agumbe. It is in Tirthahalli Taluk of Shivamogga district. Famous temples of Belgavi, that is Tripura Nadakeshwara temple, Kedareswara temple, and next one is Keladi Palace, that is built by Keladi rulers, and that is Shivappa Nayaka. It is very beautiful palace. Next, famous personalities: Kuvempu, Dr. U.R. Anandamurthy. They both are the awarded Jnanapida Award. Jnanapida Award means highest award in the literature. So these both the persons like Kuvempu and Dr. U.R. Anandamurthy got the Jnanapida Award. They are both from the Tirthahalli Taluk. National Award winning singer Shivamogga Subbanna also from this region. Means from this Shivamogga district. I hope you all are understood this topic. Next class I will send you notes. Thank you, students.